Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Yes students? Okay. So students, what topic going on in maths? Topic is addition. Students, हमारा कौन सा टॉपिक मैथ्स में चल रहा है? एडिशन. Before in earlier worksheet of addition, I explain you addition with some pictures or how to add things with some pictures, है ना? With count some pictures together and some objects together. In first worksheet I explained with that. Okay, now in this worksheet I will teach you some new methods of addition. Okay students, इस वर्कशीट में हम एडिशन के कुछ और नए मेथड आपको सिखाएंगे. Okay, before that students, in addition there are some keywords. एडिशन में आप कुछ कीवर्ड सुनेंगे जो आपको बार बार एडिशन के सम्स जब आप करेंगे तो वो बार बार आपको यूज होंगे. तो व्हाट आर देयर कीवर्ड्स? दैट कीवर्ड्स आर, फर्स्ट इज ऐड. ऐड मीन्स टू ज्वाइन समथिंग, किसी चीज को जोड़ना. ओके, एंड सेकंड इज टोटल. टोटल मीन्स when you add something, when you count two different things, when they comes together, then in total how many they in quantity, मतलब वो सारी इकट्ठी कितनी हो जाती हैं. टोटल मतलब ऑल. इसी तरह से नेक्स्ट है ऑल टुगेदर. ऑल टुगेदर का भी वही मतलब है जो टोटल का था. जैसे हमने टू पेन्स को, यहाँ पर मेरे पास वन पेन है एंड हियर आई हैव टू पेन्स. जब हमने इनको सबको एक साथ कर दिया तो इट मीन्स ऑल टुगेदर. जब हमने इनको एक साथ कर दिया तो इट मीन्स ऑल टुगेदर. तो ये ऑल टुगेदर जब हम काउंट करेंगे तो हाउ मैनी पेन्स आई हैव? 1, 2 and 3. I have 3 pens. It means all together. And the total we that comes, जो हमने काउंट करके जो टोटल आया है 1, 2, 3, that is the total numbers. Okay, that is the total number. और all together and add is one and same thing. Other thing is sum. Sum means जब दो चीज़ों को हम जोड़ते हैं तो उन दोनों का जोड़, सम, उसको हम सम भी बोलते हैं. ओके, एंड मोर मीन्स ज़्यादा. जब हम एक चीज़ में कुछ और ऐड करते हैं तो वो चीज़ बढ़ जाती है. जैसे हमने 1 पैन में 2 पैन को ऐड कर दिया तो ये मोर हो गए, है ना? तो इस तरह से ये कीवर्ड्स हैं जो हमें एडिशन के सम्स जब हम करते हैं तो हमें ये कीवर्ड्स हमारे यूज़ में आते हैं. तो आपने इन कीवर्ड्स को हमेशा ध्यान में रखना है कि ऐड, टोटल, ऑल टुगेदर, सम, मोर, ये जो कीवर्ड्स हैं ये हमेशा एडिशन के सम में यूज़ होंगे. ओके, तो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. आज हम क्या करेंगे? आज हम पहले पिक्चर से ही स्टार्ट करते हैं. पहले मैं यहाँ पर कुछ पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ करूँगी, उसी से हम एडिशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. लाइक I have some circles here, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 2 circles here. How many circles all together? 3 circles are this side and 2 circles are this side. So all together they will be, this is the sign of equal to. ठीक है, नाउ काउंट ऑल टुगेदर. अब इनको एक साथ काउंट करते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ओके, तो वी विल गेट टोटल 5 सर्कल्स. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will write in the form of numbers. Here how many circles? 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3 here, and here I have 2 circles, 1, 2. So we will write 2 here, and one instant At the place of and we will use the sign of addition. This is the sign of addition. Okay, now we will not use and, we will use the sign of addition, this like this. Okay, so 3 circles and 2 circles makes how many together? 5. All together 1 2 3 4 5. We will write 5 here, means 3 add, when we add 3 add 2 एडिशन 2 इज इक्वल टू 5. ठीक है, 3 में जब हम 2 को ऐड करेंगे तो आंसर आएगा हमारा 5. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इस तरह से. अब हम पिक्चर्स नेक्स्ट पिक्चर में देखते हैं कि नेक्स्ट पिक्चर में क्या होता है. हियर आई हैव 4 स्टार्स, 1 2 3 4. नाउ आई विल नॉट use and, I will use the sign of addition. Okay, so here I have 3 stars, 1 2 and 3. How many they all together? Let's count. First 1 2 3 4. So I will write 4 here, and in other side 1 2 3. So addition 3. Okay, is equal to how many they all together? 4 plus 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have 7 stars, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we will write 7 here. So 4 plus 3, 4 addition 3 is equal to 7. ओके स्टूडेंट, तो इस तरह से आपने ये पिक्चर्स में सीखा. अभी हम अगली इसमें देखते हैं. अगले पिक्चर में आई हैव सम ट्रायंगल्स, 1 2 3 4 5 एडिशन 1 2 3 4 is equal to. Now in one side I have 1 2 3 4 5 triangles. On other hand, how many we add more? We add more, 1 2 3 4. So in 5 one hand I have 5 triangles, and on other hand I add more 4 triangles. So 5. Now all together they will be, एक साथ वो कितने हो जाएंगे? लेट्स काउंट टुगेदर. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. There will be 9 triangles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So 5 plus 4, 5 addition 4 is equal to 9. Okay students, so this is the method with some pictures. How can we add numbers or pictures all together? Okay, now I will explain you how can you add numbers. Okay, so I will start with like addition. 2 plus 1 is equal to. So now we will now in KG class you count by the putting some lines, like 2 line here and 1 line here. But now in first class you will be add on your fingers. You will learn how to add with the help of your fingers. Okay, so how we will add? Let's start. In my one hand I have 2 fingers, 1 and 2. I have 2 fingers. On other hand I have 1 finger. So when I put it all together, जब इनको हम एक साथ रखते हैं, and now we will count it together. So how many fingers I have? 1 2 and 3. 1 2 and 3. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So I will put 3 here. Okay, next is 3 plus 2. Now what I will do, I will open 3 fingers in one hand and 2 fingers on other hand. So 1, 2 and 3. So I have 3 fingers in one hand and 1, 2 fingers on other hand. Now I will put all together. I will add them or I will join them. So how many they will together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can fold your fingers or you can count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all together they will be 5. Okay. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Like this. Okay. Now here is 4 plus 5. So what we will do now? I will open 4 fingers in one hand and 5 fingers on other hand. What I will do? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. On other hand 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 fingers in one hand and 4 fingers in other hand. So all together they will be, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay student. So next I have 5 plus 5. So how many 5 plus 5? What will be the total? Let's do it on fingers. First I will open 5 fingers in one hand and 5 fingers on other hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we open both 5 fingers in one hand, 5 fingers on other hand. Now let's count how they all together. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5 all together there will be 10 fingers. They will be 10 fingers. Okay. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Okay student. Next is 6 plus 3. Okay. Now what we will do? We have only 5 fingers in one hand. Okay. So we don't have 6 fingers in one hand. What we'll do? We will open 5 fingers in one hand and 3 plus 1 finger from here. Let's see how can we do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are 6 fingers of one hand. Now which is the next number is 3. So 1, 2, 3. So let's count all together. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 fingers. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Okay. Now here is 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers in one hand, 4 fingers on other hand. So we all together they will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Okay student. So this is the one type of addition. ये इस तरह से भी हम addition करते हैं. और other type of addition is like in tens and ones form. Okay, I will write 3 here and I will write addition sign plus 2. 3 plus 2. So what we will do? We will count in same method of fingers. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 on other hand. All together they will be 1 2 3 4 5. So on other hand they will be 5, like this. Now here is one more. Here is 4 plus addition 4 addition 3. 4 addition 3 will be 1 2 3 4, and other hand 1 2 3. So how many they will all together, or how total fingers there will be? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 fingers. So answer 4 plus 3 total will be 7. Okay, next is 2 plus addition 2. When we add 2 with 2, we get 1 2 1 2. All together the total will be 1 2 3 4. All together they will be 4. The total will be 4. 2 plus 2 will be 4. Okay students, so this is the another method of addition. Okay, now 9 plus 1. So I don't have 9 fingers in one hand, so what we will do? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So these are the 9 fingers in one number, and other number is 1. So 1 here. How many total? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and 1 is 10. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So there is 2 digit in 10, so we will write like this: 1 below the T, and 0 is below the ones. Okay, tens and ones in this form. Next is TO, 8 addition 1. What we will do? 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 fingers we open. Now we will open one finger. So one thumb we will open. How many all together? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 8 plus 9 will be 9 in total. Okay, this is the second form of addition. One is this and one is this. So this type of addition. Now students, don't use that this type of lines like we did it earlier in KG class, like 6 addition 3. So we will put line 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3. Don't do like that. ओके इस तरह से आपको नहीं करना है. अब आप फर्स्ट क्लास में आप आ गए हैं. आपको अपनी फिंगर्स को यूज़ करके अपने एडिशन को करने की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. इससे क्या होगा? इसका आपका ये वाला मेथड जो होता है ये टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है. मतलब इस मेथड से करने में आपको बहुत टाइम लगता है. आपको उतनी लाइंस ड्रॉ करनी है, ऊपर भी और नीचे भी. देन यू विल काउंट, है ना, तो उसमें टाइम वेस्ट होता है. इफ़ यू विल ऐड ऑन योर फिंगर्स लाइक दिस, तो इट विल टेक लेस टाइम. इससे आपका टाइम भी कम लगेगा और आपको एडिशन भी जल्दी से समझ में आ जाएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो आई होप you understand this method of addition. In your worksheet I did you this type of sums. Okay, gave you this type of sums. I hope you will enjoy to do that activity and this addition, and understand the concept of addition clearly. Okay student, remember that keywords I explained here, like add, total, altogether, sum and more. These are the some keywords for addition. So please remember this. Okay, do this homework in neat and clean handwriting. Okay, and practice it at home regularly. Thank you and have a good day.